Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing my famous apricot jam and canned apricots recipe. Some sweet, sunny happiness in a jar. We'll need a few kilos of apricots. I'm working with 5 kilos today. Wash those beauties. As always, we start by giving our fruit a good rinse. Pit the apricots. My daughter likes to do it gracefully with a knife. Very elegant. Me? I just split them open with my hands, twice as fast and just as effective. For the canned apricots, I picked the firmer ones and stacked them neatly into 7 deciliter jars. You can usually fit 12 halves per jar. That's 6 whole apricots. Next, let's make the sweet syrup. For every jar, you'll need about 200 milliliters of water. So multiply that by the number of jars you filled to find out how much water you'll need altogether. To that water, add sugar, about 200 grams of sugar per liter of water. Once the sugar dissolves, your syrup is ready. No need to boil it. Pour the syrup into each jar, covering the fruit. Seal the jars carefully. The hot water can make them really warm to the touch. Now place the jars in a large pot. Fill the pot with water until the jars are about 2/3 covered. Bring to a boil and cook for 15 minutes from the moment it starts bubbling. Gently remove the jars and cover them with a towel dipped in cold water to help them secure themselves. Now for the second half of the apricots. Chop them into smaller pieces. I add about 100 milliliters of water at the bottom of the pot to keep it from burning at first. I also add a teaspoon of citric acid. It helps the fruit break down and acts as a natural preservative. Let the fruit cook for 40 to 50 minutes. Stirring occasionally so nothing burns. Once it's soft and bubbly, I grab my trusty immersion blender and puree the fruit. Back in the day, I used a meat grinder, 1/2 at a time. We've come a long way since then. Now that it's smooth and warm, it's time to add the sugar. I go with a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 kilo of sugar for every kilo of apricots. In this case, I added 2.5 kilos of sugar, since I had 2.5 kilos of fruit. When the sugar has fully melted and the jam starts boiling, it's ready. Carefully ladle the hot jam into clean jars. Be very careful, it's as hot as lava. Seal the jars tightly and you're all set. Bon appétit, my dears. If you'd like to try this fresh, homemade summer recipe, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I've got lots more delicious ideas coming your way.